Hi, I'm Kelsey, and today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the nib on your Atlas stylus. If your nib is worn down or starting to wear down, it's important to replace it as soon as possible. To do so, grab the nib with your fingers and pull. Then to replace it, all you have to do is grab a brand new nib, which you can buy on our website at backusa.com/shop, and press it firmly into the tip of your stylus. And that's it. Now if your nib is broken and you can't quite grab it with your fingers, we suggest using tweezers to get a better grip. If your nib is damaged and you can't remove it, you may have to buy a brand new stylus. If this occurs a lot with your school or business, reach out to the customer experience team and we'll talk with you on how you can reduce your replacement costs. For a complete list of the Atlas best practices, visit our website at backusa.com/downloads and click on the Best Practices document. I hope this enhances your Atlas experience, and until next time, thanks for watching.